is all about comfort and control. Let's start with the basics. How to hold your hook and yarn. First, grab your crochet hook like you're holding a pencil or a knife, whichever feels natural. If you go for the knife grip, rest it across your palm with a firm hold. Find what's comfortable for you. Now let's get the yarn in place. Wrap it around your fingers to create tension. One method is to loop it over your index finger while anchoring it with your other finger. This helps control the flow of yarn so your stitches stay even. This is another way I typically hold the yarn between my index and middle fingers. With your hook in one hand and yarn in the other, practice moving the hook under the yarn and pulling it through. This movement is key for smooth, effortless stitching. And that's it. Now you're set to start crocheting with ease.